Friends, today I'm going to show that how to change font size on a Snapchat. Friends, to change font size on a Snapchat is an easy process. Friends, don't miss anything. And after watching this video, if you like this content, please like, share, comment, and especially subscribe my YouTube channel. Friends, now I want to open the Snapchat. After opening the Snapchat, just tap on here. Then, my friends, you have to do one thing. You will not find any settings here, my friends, to increase the font size or to change the font size, right? You will not find anything, my friends, here. You will not find any options. So how I can increase, my friends? Friends, to increase the text size or to change the text size of Snapchat, for this you have to go on settings of your iPhone, my friends. Then you have to open Control Center. Then, my friends, you have to add text size on included controls. You have to find out the text size app from here. See this one, text size, right? Just tap on plus sign and it will be added on the included control. See, has the text size, right? Now, my friends, you can go back. Now we can open the Snapchat again. After opening the Snapchat, my friends, you have to swipe down your control center from the top. Then you have to tap and hold your finger on the double A. Now, my friends, from here you can change the text size, like by default text size to increase or decrease. You can, my friends, right? You can maximize your text size 310%, right? And decrease also you can do it 80%. So friends, like this, if you want, you can increase and decrease the text size of Snapchat. And also if you want to increase the text size of all apps, just tap on here. You can increase and decrease like this, my friends, right? So friends, like this, if you want, you can increase and decrease the Snapchat text size. Friends, to change font size on Snapchat, if you're facing problem, feel free to ask me in the comment box. I'll try to give you answer as soon as possible. Friends, if this video helpful to you, please like, share, comment, and especially subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get next video notifications. Thank you for watching. Hope so next time I'll come with another exciting video. Till then, take care.